Model 2021 Vauxhall Movano LUTON Low Loader L3 2.3 Cdti Euro 6 Spares OR Repairs Body, White, LUTON Low Loader Mileage, 104,505 MOT, 29 April 2024 Engine, 2298 CCM 9T716, 100, DRL Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings and knocking. Engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary. Bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Well looked after. Similar vehicles selling on upwards of £20,000 plus VAT. Features: 0 former keepers, part service history, air con, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.